You still ain't got your hair cut by D-Bat yet? Click that link in the bio.
What's going on, everybody? So right here, as you can see, I'm just cleaning up the top of my client's haircut with the Babyliss Pro Gold FX clipper. It's real good clippers for cleanup work. Kind of reminds me of a Andes Master with the surgical blade on it, but it's a little lighter and doesn't heat up as fast as the Master does. Now, what I do right here, most people, when they're putting their guideline in, they put their guideline in with the clipper closed first and open it up. Well, I do those steps in reverse. So instead of me closing it all the way, I will have it all the way open with no guard on it. And then I go up and just create a soft guideline so that it'll be easier to take out. So you go from all the way open, closing it down just a little bit each time when you passing through until you get all the way closed. Now right here, I'm working with the Zero magnetic guard. I'm just softening up that midline. Now I used to use two guards in my fading process, but now I'm taking one step out and I'm only using one guard. So right there with my Babyliss clipper, again, I'm just cleaning out that bottom line. Now I'm going back into my guideline, which I am now taking my Oster Fast Feed, no guard on it, and I have it halfway closed. I'm just flipping the comb out towards me and just softening up that line. I chopped the video up, of course, because I didn't want it to be too long, so I'm only showing you a few passes as I go so you can see that line kind of soften up. And just watch as I flip that comb out towards me. You can kind of see how it softened that up. Like I said, the haircut isn't all the way polished. I'm just showing you the technique so that you can kind of get a gist of what's going on. Right there, I was explaining how to play your mirror. And I'm using a two-teeth technique, which basically gets out any dark spots that you may have missed with your guard or with your comb. Clip over comb technique. Playing the mirror basically lets you see those dark spots better than the eye. Right here, I'm just showing you well, we're almost finished, and that's the ending result right there. So if you have any questions, feel free to hit me up. You can leave them at my website, www.resurrectioncuts.com. Thanks for watching.